Light in the dark. Every challenge and dilemma is actually an opportunity for us to grow and wake up. We need to find the hidden wisdom in pain. Sadness is a process, not the end. We can't cure the pain by suppressing or escaping, but by facing these emotions and understanding the reasons behind them can we truly reconcile with them. Treat yourself with compassion and allow the existence of sadness. This is the first step, embarking on the road of seeking inner peace. Sadness into power. When we understand the root cause of sadness, we can learn to transform it into the power of growth. Everything is changing. Today's pain is not eternal. We have the ability to change our own destiny. Through meditation and our own inner observation, we can understand where the pain comes from, which is the beginning of healing. Inner tranquility is the most powerful response to the external dilemma. We should learn to be grateful for these sorrows and pains, because they make us grow up and pursue the eternal peace more firmly. The power of shaping the heart. In the face of sadness and difficulties, we should focus more on our inner practice. Through giving and holding the precepts, we learn to be selfless and abide by the rules. Through forbearing humiliation and refinement, we are firm and not moved by adversity. Through meditation and wisdom, we find inner peace. When we realize these truths, we can maintain hope and strength in sadness. We choose not to be defeated by sadness, but to turn it into fuel and ignite the unquenching lights in our hearts. Every meditation and introspection is an opportunity to reconcile with ourselves, bringing us unlimited wisdom and compassion. Rediscover life. Everyone has a pure land in their hearts, which is our innate goodness. When we fell into sadness, we did not go into a desperate situation, but temporarily lost our way. We can find our way home again. When we choose to face sadness with a positive attitude, we can find the wisdom and beauty hidden in every pain. When we have hope in our hearts, life will shine again. Only after experiencing darkness can we truly experience the preciousness of light.